Okay, today we're going to have a video demo of a Blanchard number 11 vertical horizontal type grinding machine. Horizontal meaning that the wheel is rotating horizontally rather than vertically, like on a surface grinder. We have a Nutrifier 2 chuck controller, and we have a 16-inch diameter chuck here that we will turn on and test with a piece of steel. That's clamped right down on there, and you see the lights are all, you can lower the magnetism on this, it's variable. The more you go, the more lights come on. There's also a demag cycle in order to release the workpiece from the chuck. Machine is currently wired for 440, 460 volts. That's your chuck rotation at 15 RPMs, 24 RPMs, 64 RPMs, and 41 RPMs. We start the grinding spindle. Shut this off. That's our grinding spindle. We have power up, as well as the power down. Once we start the chuck rotating, you have an automatic down feed. Now when the down feed gets all the way around to 0, it will shut itself off. Okay. Over here you have different amounts of infeed. You can make that smaller. Bring the work under the wheel. The noise you hear is just the guard scraping. It's very common. It's all your down feed. And away you go. And that's Blanchard Model 11. The serial number is 13640. Currently wired for 440, 460 volts. Thank you for watching the video.